So, today ang pag-aaralan natin ay tungkol sa calculator techniques and then mode 5 equation calculations. So, paano nga ba natin i-on yung mode 5? Press mode and then press 5. Nakalagay equation, press 5. And then may makikita tayo dito na 4 na categories. Ang unang category ay tinatawag na simultaneous linear equation. Hinahanap, dalawa dito yung unknown na pwede nyong mahanap, x and y. And sa pangalawa naman, ang simultaneous linear equation in 3 unknowns. Pangatlo is finding the roots of quadratic equation. And then the last one is finding the roots of a cubic equation. So, dito sa mode na to, possible na makalculate natin ang linear equations having 2 or more 3 unknowns and finding the roots of quadratic and cubic equation. So, yun na yung pag-aaralan natin ngayon. So, para mas ma-explain further, mag-e-example tayo. Mga 7 examples. So, sa example number 1, sinasabi dito na find x and y in equation x minus 2y is equals to 2 and 3x plus 2y is equals to 5. So, yan na nga yung given natin. We set the coefficient of this one, isi-set natin as the value of our first a, and then the coefficient of this one, value as the b, and then 2, which is a real number, and then same as in this part. So, ang gagawin natin, ipa-plug in natin yung coefficient sa calculator para makalculate natin, mahanap natin yung x and y value. So, kunin na nga natin yung calculator natin. First thing, press mode, and then press 5. And then, yung example number 1 natin, obvious naman na ang hinahanap is yung 2 unknown, which is yung x and y. So, pipiliin natin to na a and x plus b and y is equals to cn. So, by choosing that, press 1, and then lalabas tong parang table. And then, ilalagay mo na dyan yung mga coefficient na given kanina, which is yung a ng unang function 1, and then the b of the first function is negative 2, and then the c of the first function is 2. And then sa second part naman, yung second equation naman, the coefficient of the first variable is 3, and then the second one is 2, and then the last one is 5. So, press equal sign. Magkakaroon na tayo ng value ng x, which is 7/4 or 1.75. By pressing this one, magiging decimal na yung fraction natin. And then press again to return it back to fractional form. And then press another equal to find out the value of our y, which is negative 1/8, or the decimal value is negative 0.125. So, that is our answer. And let's head on to our example number 2. You can try it or just wait for me to solve it. So, example number 2 says solve for x and y in equation 2x plus 2y is equals to 4 and 3x plus 6y is equals to 2. So, let's try it. So, upon getting your calculator, press mode, press 5, and then we have 2 unknown values. So, again, same as the first example, we have to press 1. And then, let's plug in our given coefficient in a function, which are 2, another 2, and then 4, and then the second function says it's 3, 6, and then 2. So, press equal sign, you'll get the value of our x, which is 3.3333 or approximately 3.33. And then press an equal sign for another value of y, which is negative 4/3 or approximately negative 1.33 as well. But this time, the value is negative. So that's it. That's how easy the mode of equation works. So let's have another example for different type of equation. In example number 3, it says, find the value of x, y, and z if 3x plus 4y minus 2z is equals to 5, 5x plus 2y minus z is equals to 4, and 5x plus 2y plus 2z is equals to 1. In our third example, the unknown value is 3. So, our option is the second simultaneous linear equation in 3 unknowns. So, mode, press 5, and then press 2. It's a by using this one, we can obtain the 3 unknown values, which is the x, y, and z. So, press 2, and then we will have this 3 by 3 table, and then we have to plug in our known values, which are the first function, our a value is 3, 4, and 2. And then the d value is 5. And then for the second equation, we have, the second function, we have 5, 2, negative 2, and then 4. And for the third function, we have 5, 2, another 2, and then 1. So, press equal sign to obtain the value. We have the value of x is negative 3 over 14, which is negative 0.21 approximately. Press equal sign to find the value of y, which is 25 over 14, which is 1.79 approximately. And then another, press equal sign. The value of z will be negative 3 over 4, which is 0.75 negative. So that is the value of x, y, and z. For the example number 4, it says, solve the quadratic equation of 6x squared plus 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. So in the problem, we are asked to find the roots of the equation. So press mode, press 5 for the equation, and then press 3. With this, we can find the roots. So we have to put the value of a in the calculator, which is 1. The value of b is 12, and then our c value is 2. By this, we can obtain the value x1, which is negative 0.16 or approximately negative 0.17. And then press equal sign to find the value of the second x, which is negative 11.83 approximately. As easy as that, we can get the roots of this equation. For example number 6, we have to find the cubic equation of x cubed plus x squared minus 10x minus 4 is equals to 0. So, for example number 7, I will just leave it to you so that you can practice more and try it on your own para magamay niyo yung calculator niyo. So, number 7 is solve for the roots of the cubic equation of x cubed minus 2 is equals to 0. So this will be our last problem. So press mode and then press 5 and then cubic roots press 4 and then plug in our value, which are 1, another 1, and then -10, and then 4. -4. So with that, we can get the value of our x, which is 2.90 or approximately 2.91. And then the second x value, which is negative 0.39 approximately. So that's it. And then we shouldn't forget our x, the third x, which is negative 3.52 approximately. So that is it. I hope you learned something in this video. God bless.